In this video, we will show you how to assemble the Fly Geyser Steam Room model from Geyser Steam. Assembling the Geyser Steam requires 2 people. Expect about 3 to 4 hours to assemble. You will need a power drill to attach the panels using the provided screws. Ensure that you have all the necessary components before starting the assembly process. Before getting started, find a suitable location for your Geyser Steam, and make sure it is installed on a flat surface. Note that the drawer for the water tray should be at the front. Leave sufficient space on the sides and behind for panel installation. If desired, place a towel or mat underneath the base. Place the base in your desired location, ensuring the water tray drawer is at the front. Position the back panel inside the rail in the rear part of the base, with the assistance of a second person holding it in place. Ensure that the back panel is flush with the base. Place the side panel into the side rail of the base. Then gently push it toward the back panel. Ensure the long edge of the side panel is fully inserted into the rail of the back panel. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Place the rooftop atop the 3 wall panels, each with its dedicated rail. Apply pressure to the 2 back corners to ensure the walls are securely within the rails. Position the bench within the cabin. Pro tip: to carry the bench, lift the top lid. With 2 people, place the front panel at the front side, inserting side panels on the vertical rails of the door. Ensure the front panel sits flush with the rooftop. Have one person hold it until secured. Secure the rooftop to the front panel using 5 long screws from the top. Secure the rooftop to the back panel from behind using 3 medium screws. Apply downward pressure to the rooftop from the top before drilling to ensure a tight seal. Attach the corner trim to the door panel by drilling 7 medium screws. Do not drill on the side panel. Repeat on the other side. Install the remaining 2 corner trims in the back by drilling 7 medium screws into the back panel's side, spacing them about 1 foot apart, and another 7 screws into the side panel. Total of 14 screws per corner trim. Installing the door handle. Position the magnet piece and ensure it aligns perfectly with the corresponding hole. Insert one side of the handle along with its screws. We recommend placing the part with the holes on the inside. Insert the other half of the handle from the outside into the screws for complete assembly. Use the Allen tool to securely tighten the screws. Installing the siding. Side panels. Position the first board next to the corner trim. Start on the side adjacent to the door. Leave some space between the board and the corner trim on the first board of the siding trim of about inch. Drill in the first siding board using 3 medium screws into the panel on the lower groove. Install 3 clips, 1 at the bottom, 1 at the middle and 1 at the top. Important: make sure to use the small screws for the clips to avoid damaging the interior walls. Slide the next board into the previously installed clips, and install 3 more clips for a total of 4 boards using 3 clips per board. For the remaining space of the side wall, slide a partial board, 2 bars only, into the previously installed clips. Attach the partial board to the wall panel by drilling 3 medium screws on the lower groove, bottom, middle and top. Repeat the steps 34-39 to install the siding on the other side. Back panel. Position the first siding board on the ground right next to the right corner trim, leaving some space of about between the board and the corner trim. Important: make sure the board is the one with a pre-drilled hole, and align it with the hole on the back wall for the cable to pass through. Make sure the male side joist is facing the left. Use 3 medium screws to drill the first board into the back wall in the lower groove of the board. Install 3 clips for each board. Using larger screws may damage the interior, so be cautious. Slide the second siding board next to the first one, and install 3 more clips. Install a total of 5 boards on the back panel. Install the 6th siding board that has only 2 bars, not 3, and has a female side that slides into the previous board, and install 3 more clips. On the remaining space of the back wall, install a partial board, 2 bars with a male shape. This board goes on top of the clips of the previous slide. Do not try to slide it into the clips. Drill in 2 medium screws on the male side of the board. Door panel. Install 1 partial board, 1 bar only to the side of the door. Make sure the male side joist is facing the door. Attach the board directly into the wall using 3 medium screws in the lower groove, at the bottom, middle and top, spacing them about 3 feet apart. Use 1 full board, 3 bars to the side of the door. Make sure the male side joist is facing the door. Attach the board directly into the wall using 3 medium screws in the lower groove, at the bottom, middle and top, spacing them about 3 feet apart. Repeat on the other side. Install another board on the other side. To cover the base below the door, use the board trims by drilling 2 medium screws on each board on the lower groove. Leave no space in between the first board and the corner trim. Install the second board trim using 2 medium screws on the lower groove. Before attaching the third trim board, slightly open the drawer about to make sure the third board won't impede the opening of the drawer. Drill in 2 screws to install it. For the remaining space, install a partial board, 2 bars only, by sliding it into the clip from the previous board and drilling 2 medium screws in the lower groove. To cover the space above the door, repeat the same process as the bottom by drilling the siding trims directly into the front panel. To connect the siding board to the base, attach the board directly into the wall using 2 long screws in the lower groove. Install the handle by drilling 2 screws in the first and second board trim to allow for the opening and closing of the drawer for the water tray. Insert the water tray inside the drawer on the base. To cover the siding holes above and below the door, install the flat metal bar using a clear silicone and silicone gun. For the top bar, use some tape to hold the bar until the silicone dries. Now that the cabin is complete and fully assembled, we proceed to install the steam generator. Attach the steam generator to the black hose. Insert the other end of the steam generator's hose through the hole at the bottom right corner, from the inside of the seat all the way through. Make sure the steam head is tight and it doesn't move. Also, ensure the hole, where the steam will come out, is facing down. Connect the thermometer to the side of the control console. Insert the thermometer into the cabin through the hole in the back panel. Insert the thermometer into the hole in the top corner of the bench. Insert the power cable of the steamer through the hole in the back. Connect the power supply to the console machine to the heating plug. Using the geyser steam, fill with water the steamer. It takes 1 gallon, which will last about 1 hour. To restart the steam flow, add more water, unplug it, and plug in the generator again. Plug the steam generator into a power outlet. Allow the geyser steam to heat up with the door closed for approximately 20 minutes. Get ready to start enjoying the benefits of hot steam therapy from the comfort of your own home. For any inquiries, you can contact us by chat, email, or phone. Thank you for choosing Geyser Steam. We hope you enjoy your steam room experience.